How to auto translate Discord messages using Better Discord. So if you want to auto translate Discord messages using Better Discord, then you just need to simply go with the search and search for Better Discord plugin. Once you search, you need to simply go with the Better Discord search, which is on the first, and it will take you to this kind of page where you need to go with the search here, which is on the right side, and then search for a plugin, which is Translator. Hit the search. Once you hit the search here, you will have the translator. Click on download option and wait for the translator to download. Once you've downloaded, now you need to open up your Discord. Once you open up your Discord, or once you're on the using settings, you need to simply scroll down, and here you will have a plugin option. So if you don't have the plugin option, you can simply go with search. And once you go with the search, you may find the plugins option. And once you click on the plugins, you will have an option of open plugins folder. You just need to simply click on that, and then you need to add the plugin which we have just downloaded. Once you've downloaded the translator plugin, then you will be able to auto translate on your Discord messages using the Better Discord. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.